This is our new multifunctional coffee machine, 826. It has 3-in-1 functions right now for Nespresso, ground coffee, and Dolce Gusto. Yeah, and it has hot coffee, room temperature coffee, and tea mode. 3 cans different mode, and it has 8 water level to choose, and the touch button for each functions. And it has big capacity water tank, 1.4 liters, and it has LED light of decoration for the machine. Yes, and this is our T0 samples. Okay. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you.